Hi, I'm Brian, Senior SEO Specialist at Autoshop Solutions. A Google Business Profile listing is crucial to any local SEO strategy. Not only does it increase your online visibility and drive more traffic to your website, but it also makes it easier for potential customers to find your shop and provides valuable information such as your address, hours of operation, reviews, and even photos. The best part is it's a free tool from Google that businesses should be using to their advantage. So it's really a no-brainer. One of the most essential parts of a Google Business Profile listing is it allows you to acquire reviews from your customers and even respond to those reviews. High-star quality reviews are significant because they are a positive signal for search engines. Most importantly, they influence potential customers by allowing them to understand your reputation, credibility, and the experience previous customers have had at your shop. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more or have a question we can feature in an Autoshop Academy video, please submit them through the link below or email our team. For more Autoshop Academy videos, please visit our website and subscribe to our YouTube channel.